Welcome back to the English Danny channel. I'm Dr. Don, and today I'm going to show you more ways to expand your vocabulary using word families. Remember, a word family is a set of words whose meaning comes from the meaning of one root word. For example, if you know the meaning of help, you can figure out the meaning of words like helper, helpless, helpful, and unhelpful. Today, we're going to look at 3 more common root words. Let's start with a very useful one, play. First, play is a verb, meaning to engage in some activity for your own enjoyment. To play a game. It also means to engage in a sport, to play soccer. Play is also a noun, meaning an activity people engage in for enjoyment. The children were all at play. And it can also mean a dramatic or comedic show held on a stage. We went to see a new play at the theater. If we add ER, the ER ending to play, we get player, which is a word meaning a person who is engaged in an activity or sport, a soccer player, a chess player. We can also add the FUL ending to play and get an adjective, playful. Someone who is playful is someone who likes games and amusement, a light-hearted person. Or animal. My cat is very playful today. Or you could say something is playful if it's meant to amuse others. This is a playful story which will amuse your children. Next, we can add the ly adverb ending to make playfully. This is an adverb meaning something that is done in a playful way, that is, a way meant to amuse others. He spoke playfully to the children. Now let's add a prefix, re, meaning again to play. To replay something means to play it again. Let's replay the last game. Or I want to replay the movie we saw. Now let's look at another very common root word, power. This word can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, power is the ability to do something. I have the power of speech. I'm able to speak. It also means the ability to influence behavior or events. They have a lot of political power. We sometimes use the noun power to mean energy, especially electricity. The power is out, so we can't use our computer. Now, as a verb, power means to provide energy to something. My car is powered by a combustion engine. When we think of power, we think of something that is very capable of exerting itself, something with a lot of will. It is a key word in English for understanding moral and political actions. We can add the FUL ending to get the adjective powerful, which means something with a lot of capability to exert itself, with a lot of will, with a lot of ability to direct things. The presidency is a powerful office. I'm feeling a powerful need to rest. And if we add the adverb ending, ly, to that word, we get powerfully, meaning something which is done in a powerful way or with a lot of force. The speech powerfully showed me why this is important. On the other side, if we add the ending less to power, we get an adjective meaning something that is without power or an ability to resist. I am powerless to stop you. We can also add some prefixes to power. If we add em to get empower, this is a verb which means to give power or authority to something. Money can empower you to live a comfortable life. But if we add the prefix de to power, we get depower, which means to reduce the power or to take power away from someone or something. And there's one more root word for this episode, pure. Notice that the pronunciation of this word may not be what you expect at first. It looks like it would be poor or something, but it sounds like there's a Y in there, pure. Pure is an adjective that means not mixed with anything else. This shirt is pure cotton. That means it's only cotton fabric. But pure can also mean free from contamination. This is pure water, meaning there's no contamination. It is safe to drink. There is a verb using this root word, purify. And purify means to make something pure, to remove mixtures or to remove contamination. We need to purify the water before we can drink it. There's also a noun using this root, and the noun is purity. Purity means freedom from contamination, but it also is used very often to suggest free from immorality, to mean moral innocence. Young children are often examples of purity. If we add the prefix im to the root, we get the adjective impure, which means not free from contamination or not innocent. Impure water means dirty water, while an impure act can mean an immoral act or a bad act. And we could add endings to pure, such as ness, which is a noun meaning a state of being good or unstained by evil, to be innocent. Her pureness was never in doubt. You've just learned some powerful new word families that you can use to express more ideas in English. Keep watching and I'll show you more ways to form words and expand your vocabulary. And if you want another way to expand your vocabulary, check out one of my 3-way English courses on Udemy. See you in the next video.